guys, welcome back to our channel. We are going to another event. Vontae is actually napping right now because this one starts late. So Netflix is dropping Zack Snyder's Rebel Moon Part 1 this holiday. It's actually coming out December 21st on Netflix, and it will be available. By the time we upload this video, we'll be about a week away from the film dropping. Once again, I am wearing Opali. Here's a video of my outfit. Super excited. So come with me as I take you to the premiere of Rebel Moon Part 1.
Everybody, my partner and producing partner, Zack Snyder. To acknowledge my incredible cast. Could you guys stand up if you're, I can't see you all, but I really
Hello, wristbands, please. We the first ones up in
So we need a restroom. George is there. I've got some, yeah.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Green guy? Sleepy.
Yes, he was good.
Little green guy every day. Look at you. Got a little hoodie on. Little hoodie on.
We're searching for soldiers for a fight against the Mother World.
It's a new age for the universe.